The beautiful island of Bantayan is one of the top tourist destinations here in the province of Cebu, known for its crystal clear waters and white sand beaches. Now, let's see what this island has more to offer.
From its long stretch of island beaches and crystal clear waters, Bantayan Island is truly a haven for natural resources. And apart from that, nothing beats the warm welcome of their local community. The tourism and hospitality industry is the economic backbone of the island. However, it did suffer a blow during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, Bantayan is slowly rising back up on its feet with the increasing number of tourists visiting the island. With this comes the dream of PhilSwiss United Holding Corporation in creating Bantayan Island's first ever 5-star luxury hotel.
Today, we'll be unveiling a new era of luxury living nestled within the heart of Bantayan Island, the Ocoy Hotel and Villas.
Good morning. Salamat. Thank you.
The groundbreaking ceremony of the Ocoy Hotel and Villas was headed by Cebu Provincial Governor Gwendolyn Garcia, together with the PhilSwiss United Holding Corporation Board of Directors Chairman Heinz Zimmerman, President Hans Chua, and Directors Lily Udum-Canatum, Oscar Chua, and Stephen Romer. This successful event sheds to light the much-anticipated prestigious development on the shores of Bantayan.
And now with this groundbreaking, finally, we have taken this major step towards making that dream a reality. That in the near future, we will have a world-class Ocoy Villas and Resort. So this is a boost for tourism in Bantayan Island and another plus for the entire island of Cebu.
The Ocoy Hotel and Villas is a brainchild of the company's director Stephen Romer, who had the chance to visit the island in the 1980s.
Bantayan was, how would I say, virgin when I traveled here first. But it had its most important potential for tourism, which are people. Tourism can only be successful if you have people. And this was Bantayan had it, and Bantayan already was a clean island, having a good infrastructure. And when I saw the beaches, I said, this island is perfect for tourism.
True to its claim of becoming world-class, one of the Philippines' most acclaimed architect, 𝗕_µ, will be heading the architectural planning, design, and interior designing of this project. He envisions to create a modern take on the hotel's architecture using local and indigenous materials. With their vow to preserving the natural resources of the island, 𝗕_µ said they want to minimally touch the ground and keep the land as they saw it.
But we're still using the same material, right? Available to the Philippines locally, but then we're actually making it modern, like a different way of like looking at local materials. It's not the indigenous ethnic type, but it's a modern take on natural indigenous materials. It's so pristine and more natural. We don't want to ruin the environment. We want to minimally touch the ground. So we're not doing a lot of infrastructure that will kind of change the character of the land.
Taking in mind their vow for environmental stewardship, they shall conserve the protected mangrove area surrounding the vicinity of the hotel.
The mangrove is the best feature of the site, so we have to protect it as much as possible. So the sewage system will have a modular sewage treatment plant. So the water that will come out from the sewage treatment plant would be clean water.
The project not only boosts the flourishing tourism industry in Bantayan, but it also aims to empower the community by assuring the locals with more than 300 job opportunities.
It's going to be more than 300. I believe that we can bring not only work, it's about produce, fish, farming, eggs, everything, laundry. So it's a domino way of life, and it's where sustainability comes in. We do not want to import everything in. We want to make this island the production of everything about hotel and villa.
The 7.5 billion peso project will soon create 101 luxury villas surrounded by stunning tropical scenery including white beaches, natural mangroves, and a beautiful lagoon. It also features lavish accommodations stretching in a 9.3-hectare land area, which include 2 exclusive restaurants and bars, wellness and spa facilities, basketball and tennis courts, and a family pool with a dedicated kids club. With this project, PhilSwiss Chairman 𝗕𝗫 targets to put Bantayan Island in the spotlight of the international tourism industry.
With the vision we have in the board, only together we are able to create our dream and to make the spotlight on Bantayan Island, which is known after, we are sure, after a few years, Bantayan Island will be on the spotlight from all the tourism destinations, not only in the Philippines, also international.
This development is targeting the ultra high-end or the niche market. So we are targeting the top clients because we want to bring in quality tourists to Bantayan Island. So this is not something that is usual for the island or even here in Cebu. So we want to be on that level. We want to really offer something good and something luxurious here in our locality.
The luxury lifestyle offered by Ocoy Hotel and Villas extends beyond its lush accommodations. It is an experience that feels like both paradise and home. This has been Queenie Holigon of MyTV Cebu.